Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another client tutorial. Today the client tutorial, as you can tell by the title, is going to be for a festival slash carnival look. So you know what that means. That means color, it means intensity, it means bling, it just means bombness, you feel me? So I can't wait for you guys to see the end result. It's super cute. And yeah,
I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be an info, I'll be an info. In a hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park, it's whatever you into. Got the magic stick, I'm the love doctor. Hey, your friends teasing you about how sprung, I got you. Wanna show me you can work it, baby? No problem, get on top and get the bounce around like a low rider. I'm a seasoned vet when it comes to the shit. After you woke up and sweat, you can play with the stick. I'm trying to explain, baby, the best way I can. I melt in your mouth, girl, not in your hand. To the candy shop, I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
Girl, what we do,
and
where we do, the things we do, are just between me and you. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. I'm on top, ride like you're in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she get to pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race, who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how erotic it is to watching thongs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touched the right spot at the right time. Lights on, a lights off, she like it from behind. So seductive, you should see the way she whine. Her hips in slow-mo on the floor when we grind. Long as she lights on, a lights off, she like it from behind.
So I always get asked, like, Tiara, you're blending, bitch. It be on fleek. Like, what do you do? Honestly, my biggest tip for blending is just layering. And I always like kind of get looked at crazy when I'm doing appointments because I use like 17 different eyeshadows. But honestly, it's all about definition. It's all about depth. It's all about layering. The more you layer, and the more you layer colors that are kind of like each other and have like a really nice pretty contrast, the better the blend will look. So that's a super big tip when it comes to blending out your shadows.
Yeah. So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Yeah.
Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got.
Come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be an info, I'll be an info. In a hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park, it's whatever you into. Got the magic stick, I'm the love doctor. Hey, your friends teasing you about how
Good old glitter in the crease. You guys should have guessed it. I was doing a cut crease, so I'm adding glitter. But no, seriously, I honestly think that glitter is essential when you're doing like a really bomb cut crease. Especially if you're somebody who's planning to go out and be taking a lot of pictures and video. Glitter like this reflects so bomb in the light. And it's not like you have glitter over the lid. It's just really tasteful, and with it being in the crease, so I love it.
the things we do are just between me and you. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. I'm on top, ride like you're in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she get to pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race, who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how erotic it is to watching thongs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touched the right spot at the right time. Lights on, a lights off, she like it from behind. So seductive, you should see the way she whine. Her hips in slow-mo on the floor when we grind. Long as she ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Dripping wet with sweat, man, it's on and popping on my champagne campaign. Bottle after bottle, it's on, and we gon' sip to every bubble, and every bottle is gone. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot.
seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Yeah.
Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got.
Come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be an info, I'll be an info. In a hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park, it's whatever you into. Got the magic stick, I'm the love doctor. How your friends teasing you about how sprung, I got you. Wanna show me you can work it, baby? No problem, get on top and get to bounce around like a low rider. I'm a seasoned vet when it comes to this shit. After you woke up and sweat, you can play with the stick. I'm trying to explain, baby, the best way I can. I melt in your mouth, girl, not in your hand. To the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
Girl, what we do,
what we do,
and where we do,
and where we do,
the things we do, are just between me and you,
yeah.
Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. I'm on top, I like it in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she get to pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race, who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how erotic it is to watching thongs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touch the right spot at the right time. Lights on, I lights off, she like it from behind. So seductive, you should see the way she whine. Her hips in slow-mo on the floor when we grind. Long as she ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Dripping wet with sweat, man, it's on and popping on my champagne campaign. Bottle after bottle, it's on, and we gon' sip to every bubble and every bottle is gone. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
So my favorite part is here, and we're going to be adding some rhinestones to really amp up this festival carnival look. Now that pinio I actually got at Michael's, or girl, you can go to the dollar store and get any type of rhinestones, and you're just going to need some regular white lash glue. I would recommend white, just because if you use black, sometimes you can kind of see it around the actual rhinestone, and that ain't cute. So definitely use white duo glue. You can try maybe the latex free one too. I haven't used that before, but you can try and see if it works. And I'm literally just kind of mapping out as I go where I'm going to put the rhinestones, and then I'm using a pencil. Now you want to use a pencil because the pencil's a little bit tacky. It'll pick up the rhinestones a lot easier than if you're using tweezers, because tweezers sometimes it can like mess up the foundation, or you could drop it. It's just harder to use. So I definitely recommend using a pencil. And I really like using like kind of like smaller crystals for looks like this, because if she wants to wear this look going out later on and she doesn't want all the rhinestones, they're easier to peel off, and it's not going to really mess up her foundation. So yeah, you guys can kind of see how I'm applying, doing the glue, dot, and then I'm just applying the crystals afterwards. And I'm not really doing it in any specific way either. I'm just kind of randomly putting them on. And now the look is finished, and you have a really bomb, but still very like kind of cute and clean. Definitely a look you can still wear out after the festival if you got an after party girl. And it just looks super cute. Look at my model, she's killing it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I never say that in any of my videos, and I'm going to start saying it, so, you know. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks again for watching.
Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.